The name of our business is Sport Your Colors. We do embroidery, transfers, heat transfers.
We have a Hotronix heat press, and we have two older heat presses that we don't really use anymore. They're in the they're in the shed outside, but we kind of use those. We do a lot of tournaments and softball tournaments and stuff like that. We got our equipment, we acquired it from a woman in our area that was selling her business, and it kind of was a deal we couldn't pass up. We got our cutter, we got our heat press, we got an embroidery machine, we got, she gave us a lot of materials, cutting materials, she gave us some apparel and all kind of stuff for a really good deal. So that's kind of how we acquired all our material. As far as the cutter goes, really today is the kind of the next page of our business is what we want to use the cutter for. So we're glad that these gentlemen came and showed us a lot of stuff, because we only used it one time, and that was last week, and we've had it for 4 years. So we're kind of glad these guys came here and showed us everything, because we're really looking forward to taking that next step in using our cutter more often.
We'll have to find another thing to hang our shirts on, though.
Yeah. Oh, it's great. It's just so simple. Like I was saying before, with Corel Draw, I'm not experienced with that, and when I get on CAD-Works, it's so simple. I mean, dummies like me could figure it out, so anybody could do it.
We heard about it on the Transfer Express website. We were very excited to go. We had it was a wonderful day. We learned so much, saw the different products that Stahls carries, Transfer Express. It gave you a chance to touch and feel everything, which was great. It's a lot better than just looking at it on the computer. The glitter flake, the electric, I love that. I think that's going to be a great thing for our business. We used hologram. That was last week. That was our first venture in cutting. It's just great. I mean, I think I'll really try to push the fashion film electric.
Oh, absolutely, 100% worth our time going there. I mean, like I said, we do all Transfer Express stuff and heat press stuff, and like I said, we didn't know a lot about the cutter until we went there. And even the Transfer Express seminars that they had, my wife stayed with the cutter stuff, and I went over to and I learned more than I thought. You think you know everything about heat pressing, and then every day you learn more, and Stahls is just, they're just great with that, and I love the seminar so much. We'll go every year.